Kindly subscribe this channel for more educational content.
Sonnet 104 full text. To me, fair friend, you never can be old, for as you were when first your eye eyed, so it seems your beauty still. 3 winters cold have from the forests shook 3 summers pride, 3 beauteous springs to yellow autumn turned in process of the seasons have I seen, 3 April perfumes in 3 hot Junes burned. Since first I saw you fresh, which yet are green, yet doth beauty, like a dial hand, steal from his figure and no pace perceived. So your sweet way, which methinks still doth stand, hath motion, and mine eye may be deceived. For fear of which, hear this, thou age unbred, ere you were born was beauty's summer dead.
Summary. Sonnet 104 reflects on the passage of time and how beauty changes so slowly that its loss is hard to perceive. The speaker tells his beloved, "To me, you never seem older, their beauty appears unchanged since the day they first met." However, 3 years have passed, marked by the seasonal cycle 3 winters, summers, springs, and autumns, and the speaker recognizes that time has moved on.
Like the hands of a clock, beauty fades so gradually that it's not noticed until it's gone. Though the beloved seems unchanged, time must be affecting them imperceptibly. In a dramatic final line, the speaker declares that true beauty died before future generations, the unborn age, even arrived, because his beloved embodied its last true form. Analysis. Themes. The passage of time. Time is constantly moving, and beauty fades, often too slowly to notice. Illusion versus reality. The speaker feels the beloved is unchanged, but knows time is taking its toll. Idealized beauty. The beloved represents a kind of perfect beauty, which the speaker fears will never exist again. Tone. Affectionate, reflective, and mournful. There's admiration, but also a deep awareness of beauty's fragility. Literary devices. Seasonal imagery. The passage of time is marked by changing seasons, a metaphor for aging, metaphor of the dial, clock. Like a dial hand, time moves silently, subtly, making the loss of beauty almost invisible. Paradox. The speaker says the beloved still appears unchanged, but time is affecting them anyway. Hyperbole in the couplet. Ere you were born was beauty's summer dead, a grand, romantic claim that no greater beauty will ever come. Conclusion. Sonnet 104 is a poignant reflection on the inevitable loss of beauty through time. Even when it seems unchanged, Shakespeare captures the subtle way time steals youth, and immortalizes the beloved as the last true embodiment of beauty, a beauty future generations will never know.
Viewer, kindly subscribe this channel. Share this video to your pioneers. Comment your feedback. Thank you for watching.